So here we are in front of our brand new UV label marker machine. Now you'd be pleased to know that if you're going to be purchasing this machine, you will get preloaded in your software some profiles that help you engrave without worrying about your settings. So if you're engraving on plastic or metal, just click on the profile and then start engraving. Now for those that have already bought this machine and don't have those preloaded profiles, then all you need to do is watch the rest of this video so that you can make them yourself, or you can go to our program website, download that file and import it into your program so that you've got all of those preloaded profiles. So let's get into it.